A daring thought experiment. Are we alone in the universe? Look up at the night sky. It's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. The universe is vast and mysterious. Could we be the only intelligent life out there? What if we are not alone? Imagine for a moment that humanity is not an accident. Imagine we are part of a grand experiment. This is a fascinating idea, a thought experiment that makes us question everything we know about ourselves and our place in the universe. It suggests that a more advanced civilization is watching us, studying our every move. Are they benevolent observers, curious about our progress, or are they testing us, evaluating our worthiness for something greater? The possibilities are endless and the implications are profound. Let's embark on a journey of exploration, delving into the hypothetical scenario of Earth as humanity's test lab. The grand architects. Who could be behind the experiment? Who could these experimenters be? Perhaps they are an ancient alien civilization far ahead of us in technology and wisdom. They could be beings of pure energy existing on a different plane of existence. Maybe they are even our descendants from the future, looking back at their own past. Their motives remain shrouded in mystery. Are they simply curious about our development? Do they see us as a potential threat or a promising species? The answers to these questions might be beyond our current understanding, but the very act of asking them pushes the boundaries of our imagination. Measuring success. What are the criteria for a thriving civilization? If Earth is indeed a test lab, what are the metrics of success? Are we being judged on our technological advancements, our artistic expressions, or our ability to live in harmony with each other and our planet? Perhaps the experimenters are looking for signs of intelligence, compassion, and resilience. They might be observing how we solve problems, overcome challenges, and learn from our mistakes. The criteria for success might be very different from our own definition of progress. Our values and priorities may not align with those of our hypothetical creators. What we consider important might be irrelevant to them, and vice versa. Evolution versus experiment, reconciling two different narratives. The idea of Earth as a test lab seems to contradict the theory of evolution. However, what if these two concepts are not mutually exclusive? Perhaps evolution itself is part of the experiment. Maybe the experimenters designed the initial conditions for life on Earth and then stepped back to observe how it unfolded. They might have introduced certain variables or challenges along the way, nudging the evolutionary process in specific directions. In this scenario, evolution becomes a tool for the experiment, a way to study the emergence of complexity and intelligence over time. Despite our flaws, humanity has achieved remarkable things. We have built civilizations, explored the world, and even ventured into space. We have created art, music, and literature that inspire and elevate the human spirit. We have made significant progress in science, medicine, and technology, improving the lives of millions. These achievements, while not without their downsides, demonstrate our capacity for innovation, creativity, and cooperation. They offer a glimmer of hope that we might be on the right track, that we have the potential to create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Despite our accomplishments, our history is also marred by conflict, inequality, and environmental degradation. We have waged wars, exploited each other, and pushed our planet to the brink. Our technological prowess has often outpaced our wisdom and compassion. We face a multitude of challenges, from climate change to social injustice, that threaten our very existence. These failures serve as a stark reminder that our progress is not guaranteed and that we still have much to learn and improve upon. If we are indeed part of an experiment, the question arises: what is its purpose? What are our creators trying to learn or achieve through us? Are they searching for solutions to problems they haven't been able to solve themselves? Are they testing different models of civilization, hoping to find one that is sustainable and harmonious? Or are their motives entirely beyond our comprehension, driven by forces and motivations that we can only begin to imagine? What happens when the experiment reaches its conclusion? Will our creators reveal themselves to us, passing judgment on our performance? Will they intervene in our affairs, guiding us towards a specific outcome? Or will they simply observe from a distance, recording our successes and failures for their own inscrutable purposes? The end of the experiment could mark a new chapter in human history, one filled with both peril and promise. The idea of Earth as a test lab is a humbling one. It forces us to confront our limitations and question our assumptions about the universe and our place within it. While we may never know for sure if we are the part of a grand cosmic experiment, the very act of contemplating this possibility can be a transformative experience. It encourages us to think critically, act responsibly, and approach the mysteries of the universe with a sense of wonder and humility. Whether we're alone or part of something much larger than ourselves, one thing is certain: our journey of discovery is just beginning.